Good morning, people. We are in Granada. I've been here for 4 or 5 days now. I really enjoyed Granada, but right now I'm trying to get out of Granada, and I was thinking about taking the bus to the outskirts of the city, because right now I'm inside the city. But the street I'm trying to take the bus, there's a big protest. So I don't think I will be able to take the bus today. So I'm going to show you guys what is happening in the streets. I think it's a strike. I think it's a feminist strike. I don't know if it's only the buses, but it's a female strike. So someone told me that there was no buses going today. So I might think I will take extra day in Granada, because I don't want to walk to the outskirts of the city, and if I take a bus much later, I will arrive at a good hitchhiking spot a bit too late. You know, the darkness will come, and then this region there are no trees, so I might think I'll stay one more night. Good morning, guys. Yesterday it was not a good day, so I didn't film anything. I tried to get out of Granada, but on my way to the outskirts I took a bus, and I had this huge backpack, you know, so I thought you could pay on the bus, but you couldn't pay on the bus. You had to go to one of those boxes. So I got fined 20 euros. So my day was just ruined, basically. So it was hard for me to like smile and be energetic. So I guess that's why I didn't get picked up by anyone. So now I set up, or not now, but yesterday I set up camp on my tree, and I connected it with the fence. And it worked, you know. It's a Sunday, there's not many people around, but of course it's a haven for insects. So I'm going to show you guys. It's like a fuckfest here. It's an orgy of insects. Look at that motherfucker. That's what they do all day. They just go where it's warm and then they fuck. They are everywhere, man. So yeah, now I'm just going to head for a gas station, which is over there. I refused to walk a long distance yesterday because the day was shit. So, but today we will hope it will be a better day. Alright, so I decided to quit hitchhiking for today, because it was a really bad spot. It was the spot I started in yesterday, and it comes like a car every half an hour, so, and nobody has picked me up. So tomorrow I will have to walk. I have to walk a long distance to get to a better spot. So I could have walked today, but I figured let's save my energy, and so I'm looking for a place to set my camp right now, and I found this industrial ruins, which is pretty fucking cool. So I'm going to explore and try to see what they build here. But one has to be careful though. I can show you, because it's basically falling apart, so it's not safe. So I'll keep that in mind. This could be like the set of a American Horror Story thing as well, you know, so this might be the most scary / interesting place I've set up camp so far. This camera is quite bad in this lighting. If I want to set up camp here, it's it's actually a bit scary on second thought. I don't believe in ghosts, but perhaps if I stay a night here, then I will probably believe in them, you know. So okay, this is just a haven of disease, and I'm not walking in here, man. What do I get if I go all the way inside? There's so much dove, you know, the bird. There's so much shit in there, so I don't want to walk in there. What I'm really looking for is some good trees, but this place is absolutely overgrown. Because there's a park back there which I may set up camp. Then I have to wait for the darkness. This place is so cool. It's going to be a bit scary walking under this bridge. This is like, you better watch your step. This reminds me of, sorry about the wind. This reminds me of Fallout and PUBG. It would be amazing to have an airsoft battle here now, but it would also be quite dangerous. Here we have a lot of trees. But it's like in the middle of this thing, so it's going to be super scary. Going to hear things in the night. Should I do it? What would you guys do? Put it in the comments below. Would you camp here or would you run away from here? So this place is fucking endless. There's another factory there. Do I want to set up camp here? I've seen too much horror movies, man. Because nothing is going to happen, but that's the thing. It's the but. I'm just going to check out these trees right there, and I hope they are good. This region is just full with these fuckers. Oh, I really hope this isn't like a old asbestos factory or something. Like I'm just walking around in cancer. That would be fun. I don't know what this is. I'm going to look it up on Google and try to see if I can find out what this is, because it's huge. my spirit has been a bit broken after that mountain where I got stung by a bee, because it was hard, man. It was really hard, and it smelled like it was not a good day, really. It was a nice camping spot. It was, but it was on the countryside, so it smelled like shit, and it smelled like shit, and there were insects everywhere. It's insects here also. It's not that, but it was not. It was not optimal. So after that, I spent 6 days in Granada just to heal, because my spirit was broken, and it's getting better. It is, but now is the phase. Now is the testing phase of my willpower, because I have a long way to go, and this is not the only shitty day. This day it was not shit though. Even though I didn't get picked up by anyone, it wasn't that bad really. I woke up late. I'm gonna check those trees. Okay guys, so I decided to not set up camp in the industry over there. I decided to be a pussy and get out of there. I just had a bad hunch, you know. As I said, I don't believe in ghosts or anything, but you never know what's in those kind of things. Maybe it's a hobo or something else. You never know. So I set up my park like a hobo in this little park. It's a nice little park, you know. But I have to I think I have to pack up a bit early. It's Monday tomorrow, and it's like it's a park where people walk with their dogs, as you can see. So yeah, this is weird, but I think this is legal. I think as long as I stay one day and it's like only because I have to, then I think this is legal. So I will probably wake up around 7 or 6 tomorrow and start packing my things. But this place is still there's a lot of those red beetles, but that's just how it is, I guess. So yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will try to be more cheerful, and hopefully we will get a ride.